I'm one of those people that I understand that I don't get a paycheck unless good stuff goes out that door. And that's my paycheck, that's everybody's paycheck. And so I'm proud as long as if I'm involved in something, I know when it gets on that truck, it's good.
Well, I started out in Lake Ball as a machine operator. That's what I was hired for, and became the lead after a little bit of time. Then I became supervisor, and supervising just wasn't for me, so I started in the Kaizen area, doing project work. It's just grown from there to being the whole plant now.
Actually, when I started as a assembler in the green room, building blocks. And then I got moved out to the rail grinding area. So yeah, I started in the green room building blocks.
So I actually started in block grinding when I first started here. I progressed into a lead position, and then I progressed to supervisor. They started a second and a third shift, and they were looking for a supervisor for second shift. Well, then Yoshi Kobayashi at the time was the engineer here at THK, Japanese coordinator engineer. And he come to me one night and told me I was going to be an engineer. Our second meeting, Yoshi asked me to write a PLC program for one of the machines, and I just explained to him, I don't know anything about PLCs. His answer was, read book. I read the book, and I wrote a little program out by hand. He seen that I made the effort, and now I will teach you.
I get satisfaction from building stuff. You know, I mean, that's just me. I like to start out with nothing and end up with something. We can walk through the plant, and I can say, I built that, I built that, I built that. You know, over the 25 years, I've done a lot of things on the floor.
Yeah, there've been a lot of changes. A lot of machines over here now, you know, because Link Ball was just a small area, and they expanded a lot within, you know, the 25 years.
Oh, I've seen a lot of changes. Growth. When I started, we were in just the LM area, little small building. We had this big building. We started out with 3 rail grinders in the back. Now there's 30. I mean, it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
This company's grown every year, ever since I've been here. We're putting a machine in, we're putting a line in, we're modifying lines to add new products. It's always grown, 25 years. There's not a lot of companies that grow year after year after year. And that's 25 years. It hasn't stopped for 25 years. I don't see it stopping for the next 25 years.
Honestly, I really enjoy my coworkers. I mean, a lot of really good people work here. A lot of laughs over the years. I do, like I say, I do enjoy my job. I enjoy what I do. I'm the type of guy that I'm not big on surprises. I don't like surprises. You know, I like to know when I come in what I'm going to be doing, and I like to feel comfortable in what I'm doing and know how to solve the problem. And so I think that aspect of the job is what I really like.
I've been all kinds of places running into a coworker that work THK, and lots of times it's people I don't even interact with on a daily basis. Hey, Chris, how you doing?
Overall, it's a great place to work. Never been laid off. Everybody treats you really nice here. That's what keeps bringing me here. You know, I like doing what I did.
I enjoy seeing people and having a good time.
That's what I like about here is they gave me an opportunity to take care of my family and keep improving on how I take care of my family. So that sends you a message. Hey, you know, it's not we just care about Chris getting parts out the door. We care about Chris. And to me, that's very important.
Like I say, it's afforded me the opportunity to take care of my family and to learn some stuff that I probably wouldn't have been able to learn, you know, at other places. Yeah, I'm happy with what I've done here, and I hope they're happy with what I've done here. So.
I used to always say, back when I was younger, I always used to say, I got to go to work. I don't say that no more. I say I get to go to work because It's a blessing. You get up, you have a job. When you look at the blessings you got, they always outweigh the bad side. So that's the way I look at things. Count your blessings and move on for the things that aren't blessings.